Craft for Kids. My name's Ariana. This is my mummy Susan, and I'm better than her.
What are we going to make today, Ariana?
Bookmarks! If you could just see, I was just reading my book about foraging, and I had a bookmark here with me. So these are really good bookmarks, so they're really good quality.
Right, let's dive in and let's show you how to make them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the stuff that you'll need is some paper, some scissors, and materials that you will need to decorate your paper because it has to be patterned. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use some circle stamps.
And I'm going to use some paint and a paintbrush to paint some different patterns on my paper. But you could use other materials, couldn't you?
Yeah, like
pens?
Pens, yeah.
Crayons? Any materials you want to decorate your paper. So let's get stuck in and let's start decorating our paper.
Yeah, it's boogie. So we've got all our stuff prepared and ready, like the prints, stamps, yeah. And what we're going to do first is just doodle all around your page.
Oh, that looks great. So we're taking the stamp, we're going to pop it onto the ink pad and then stamp down onto the page, creating a really cool pattern.
Mm-hmm.
What colours are you using?
Oh, I'm using this sort of purpley colour. I'm not sure what type, but
It's a
just
cool
some
purple.
sort of, yeah, I like this purple. So now I've done both sides, because when you fold it, one side will still be white if you don't.
We're now going to leave this to dry and I'm going to paint my one. Okay, so I've got my piece of paper here. I've got some paints and a little pot of water and a paintbrush, and I'm just going to do some different patterns all across the page. Okay, so I've done my patterns. I'm going to leave my paint to dry, and I'm just going to do one side so we can see what it looks like when we just do one side, whereas Ariana has done two sides. So we'll leave this to dry and we'll join you in a minute to show you how we fold the paper to make the bookmark.
So what we're going to do is we're going to make this rectangle into a square. So if you get one corner, you fold it.
Ooh, that's great.
One part, so you can see a rectangle over here, and just fold it like that.
Fantastic. And then what do we do with this bit, Ariana?
Oh, so with this part, you just fold it inwards. That's what I do.
Mm-hmm.
And for this part, so you've got a line where you can cut.
And then we're going to cut that off.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So if you go on the line, if you only have sharp knives, ask your parents to do this part.
Oh, good tip. That's lovely. And then we have a spare bit of paper that you can keep for something else for another day.
Also, if you want to make a smaller size, if you have a smaller book, you could do the same thing, but the rectangle will be a bit bigger.
Oh, you've got a tiny square. That's a great idea.
If you have some left, you could do another one.
Right, show me the folding. What's the first fold?
If you do it this way, it's going to be harder. So the fold might have to be
horizontal.
Yeah, horizontal.
Yeah.
And you're going to fold it to the middle here.
Okay.
There you go.
That looks great.
And then you fold it here so that it goes on top.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have this tiny triangle.
Yeah.
You fold it to the top here.
Fold the other side in. That's great.
Other side.
Press the folds down
And then
firmly. Oh, is this the complicated bit?
Not so sure, but So now you've ended up with this with the 2 lines, so it looks like a triangle in the middle. All you're going to do here is
tuck
so
the
it's
pointy
going to look
bits
like this
in.
still. It's just all you're going to do is like that, and then just lift it up so you can see. Then it looks like you can kind of just pop that in the middle, so it's inwards like that.
That looks great.
Yeah, so basically you've only put that part in the middle, and then you can do the same just with the other side, if you can see.
Brilliant. So you're tucking those little triangle bits in,
Yeah.
pressing it down,
And
oh,
there you are.
There's our bookmark. So let's put it on a
Yeah.
book. Let's show people
okay,
how it
okay.
works.
So we can put it here. Then if we shut the book,
We don't lose our page.
yep.
What a beautiful bookmark. I love it. So what I might do is have a go with doing my piece of paper next, and we'll try that one too.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go with mine. First of all, I'm going to fold the corner up and make a square out of the rectangle.
I beat her.
Okay, so here's my one, and here is
Mini
this
one.
cute little mini one that was done with the scrap of paper.
Oh, and
so.
there's still more scrap from when I made that, so you can also just make another one here. And then if you want to make an even minier one, when there's a rectangle here, you can make a mini one. Hello, we're back, and thank you for watching.
Here are our finished bookmarks. We've had a lot of fun making these, and you can decorate them with whatever you want. This one is done with felt tip pens. We've got our stamps, we've got our paint, and you can have a lot of fun decorating your papers and then making them into bookmarks, small bookmarks, and tiny, teeny, bookmarks. We'll see you soon. Bye!
Bye! Okay,
Wait. Okay, go.
so you use lots of blues and
Blues,
greens.
greens, yellows.
Yeah, because you use them for landscapes.
That's correct. You know me well.
Yep. Well, that's because you're my mum. That's true.
True story. Still quite enjoy that squeaky chair.
Yeah, squeaky chair.
So find a page.
Ooh.
Lovely.
Oh wait, I actually did not know that. So we can put it here.